Obviously, now after 48 hours later, more calm I am. But my opinion is not about if I finish the game or not. My opinion is that we are uh, losing more than dropping, losing points. When the team, in my opinion, is playing the best football uh, in this moment in the competition. The explanations are always difficult in football because everyone can speak and explain his opinion or their opinion and is correct. Football is one thing that you can say one thing, I can say another thing, and both can be right. There is an expression in Spanish. I don't know if in English I can translate that. Is like the sometimes it's like a blanket, no? When you cover your face, your feet are completely out and opposite. Then when the team is creating a lot of chances, uh, if you score, because it's not about even don't score, because we scored 2 goals in Kerala and 3 the other day. But it's true that in Mumbai and East Bengal we created a lot of chances and we didn't score. But then usually when you are attacking, you have some spaces in defense. That was our main point